In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay rates in Hubstaff. Now, if you're using Hubstaff to manage your team, you might find it necessary from time to time to update or change the pay rates for your team members. Whether it's due to a promotion, a change in role, or any other reason, it's a straightforward process that you can accomplish in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, go ahead and log into your Hubstaff account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see a tab labeled People. This is your first stop. Selecting this will take you to a list of all the members in your organization. Here, you can manage details related to each of your team members, including payment settings. As you look through this list, your next step is to locate the payment section. This section will provide an overview of the current payment arrangements for your team members. It might look a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, it's more user-friendly than it seems at first glance. Next, find the pencil icon beside the pay rate for the member whose pay you wish to edit. Clicking on this icon allows you to access the settings where you can make changes to their pay rates. It's essentially your edit button for payment details. Now, once you've clicked the pencil icon and entered the settings, direct your attention to the tab labeled Pay or Bill. This tab is a crucial part of the process because it holds all the information pertaining to your payment and billing activities. Selecting this tab will take you to the right place where you can update the rates. Once you are in the right section, look for Member Rates. This area holds the information specific to individual pay rates. Here, you can edit the pay rates as needed. Simply click on it and an option should appear to edit the rates. Input the new rate and make sure you double-check the numbers. Accuracy is key to ensuring smooth operations and keeping everyone happy. After you've updated the pay rate, you might see a button or section named YT Tutorials. While not directly related to changing pay rates, reviewing any tutorials Hubstaff offers can be quite helpful if you're new or looking to streamline other Hubstaff processes in addition to changing pay rates. Once you've made all the necessary updates, don't forget to save your changes. Saving is crucial to ensure that all the modifications you've made are implemented. With these steps complete, you have successfully updated a team member's pay rate in Hubstaff. It's that simple. If you have any issues or questions, Hubstaff support is readily available, or you can check out their FAQ